Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on US Highway 61 South, temporarily concurrent with US Highway 63 South, and we begin this video as we enter Lake City, Minnesota. Lake City had a population of 5,252 as of the 2020 census. We're currently in Goodhue County, but most of Lake City is located in Wabasha County, which we'll be entering shortly. The city is named for Lake Pepin, which is a lake on the Mississippi River seen to the left. Water skiing was invented in Lake City by area resident Ralph Samuelson, which he first performed in Lake Pepin during the summer of 1922. To commemorate this event, Lake City has adopted the nickname the birthplace of water skiing and holds an annual town festival called Water Ski Days. Water Ski Days typically includes 3 days of water skiing exhibitions, live music in a beer garden, a street carnival, sports tournaments, and a grand parade. It is held annually during the last full weekend in June. US-61 is locally named Lakeshore Drive in Lake City. We enter Wabasha County, which is part of the Rochester, Minnesota Metropolitan Statistical Area and had a population of 21,387 as of the 2020 census. In 2015, Lake City began the process of making changes to US Highway 61 through the city. We're seeing the result of these changes completed in late 2020. Prior to the highway project, this portion of US 61 was 2 lanes in each direction with a narrow cement median. Now we see a mix of landscaped medians and 2-way left turn lanes, with only 1 travel lane in each direction. Through the business district, the old highway was 2 lanes in each direction with just a double yellow line dividing traffic. This project transformed US 61 from a highway to something more like a boulevard through town, making for a much nicer visual presentation with an emphasis on traffic and pedestrian safety. In 2 places at uncontrolled intersections, RRFB units, or rectangular rapid flashing beacons, have been installed at crosswalks on US 61. These pedestrian-activated beacons flash yellow lights at traffic and are accompanied by pedestrian crossing signs and a sign that says "State Law, Stop for Pedestrians." At Lyon Avenue, US Highway 63 turns right and the overlap ends. This area here is known as Maple Springs and was originally called King's Coulee, named for a coulee or valley on the farm of a local settler named King. We enter the unincorporated community of Camp Lacupolis, Lacupolis being Greek for Lake City. On the left, you can catch a glimpse of the Bending River Cove tiny houses on Lake Pepin, intimate rental homes overlooking the Mississippi River in Lake Pepin. We're passing through a small unincorporated community called Reed's Landing. Reed's Landing is situated at the confluence of the Chippewa and Mississippi rivers, and a Dakota trading post was established here in the 1800s. The trading post was eventually purchased by Charles Reed, for whom the town is named. Because of its location on the river, it became an important steamboat port. But with the building of the Chicago, Milwaukee, and St. Paul Railroad, its importance was diminished, and with the proximity of Lake City to the north and Wabasha to the south, the population declined. Today on the riverfront, a historic school dating back to 1870 serves as the Reed's Landing Museum, and a neighboring 1870s dry goods store is now the Reed's Landing Brewing Company. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Wabasha. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.